Hey guys, so I decided to open a business. Listen, sometimes I gotta look bummy, okay? I ain't gotta look cute every single time. My little locks finally got into a ponytail, like, so some days I'm gonna look bummy, okay? So I decided to start a business, and I've been looking at a whole bunch of YouTube videos on essentials that you need and stuff like that, and I kind of made a list, found some stuff on Amazon of the essentials that you need. I'm definitely gonna make another video of other things that you're definitely gonna need, but these are like the definite essentials, I guess. So let's start. So it's definitely gonna be an unboxing. I haven't opened anything. Oh, you guys can't even see. Okay, that's a little better. So I haven't opened any of them because I want to open it with you guys. I'll probably make a list in the description of everything that I got from Amazon. By the way, if you don't know, I live in Canada, so some of these prices are definitely going to be different from the US because I went on Amazon.com and I'm looking at these US prices, and some stuff, when I open it, I'm going to tell you what I saw. This is just tape. I can't remember the exact price for this, but I want to say it was $14 or something like that. But I'm definitely going to use these to send packages because what I'll be sending will be going in boxes. So that's cool. I bought these flowers. These are not essential, but I bought them to help with, you know, aesthetics, taking pictures and stuff like that. So I'm glad that the box here, I'm glad that they came in. Let me open it and show you guys. They're obviously artificial flowers, roses. Struggling. Usually I sanitize everything. I did sanitize these boxes before opening them. These are cute. Take out one. Oh, I can't take out just one, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Because they have stems in the, oh, they come attached to the stem. This is what they look like. How cute is that? So I'm definitely gonna use these to add some aesthetic to my pictures. Honestly, without even taking them out the box, they're pretty cute, like just like that. That's pretty cute. So I might just even use it just like that without even taking anything out. Now I'm mad that I touched it. I gotta fix it back. Okay, so that's that. I think that was pretty much it. Those were $15. They were $14.99. They're 15 bucks. So to me, those are worth it. These aren't essentials. None of these are. Oh, can you imagine they put this big heavy thing on top of the flowers? Or did I open? No, I didn't. But that was one in this box. Those are not essentials, but it's good to think about things, you know, ahead in advance, what you want to use, the kind of aesthetics that you want to have for your shop. Here's box number 2. I feel like I'm gonna have to buy a set of knives. Oh, I said I was going to. Box cutting knives. Probably get it from the dollar store though for like $1 or $1.25 rather than ordering it online. Oh, this is the light box. Again, I feel like I should sanitize some of this stuff. We already touched it. I'll sanitize my hands after. The light box was $25, $24.99. One of these. You put your items inside and you take a picture and they come out pretty cool. They're usually made for small items. Again, like this big, so you know you can't. Maybe you can fit a shoe in there, maybe, but you can't really fit big items in here. So that's that. Oh, this is good too. So I also ordered, come on, or something. Anyway, I don't really need this right now, so I have to open the whole thing. But I ordered a label maker and I ordered transparent label tape. So clear label tape to put inside if I don't want to have like the white background. So that was a good buy. What is this? Oh, a blanket. I ordered not a blanket, a carpet. Again, for aesthetic purposes, for taking pictures and stuff. And look how it came. They sucked the air out of this bad boy. Now I don't even know how big it is. The carpet, I don't even think the carpet was $20. I don't even remember the carpet being $20. Let me cover it up a little bit so you guys can see that, you know, it's alive. See? Again, I ordered it to take pictures on. This is how big it is. Well, not a bad size. I think it'll be good to take some pictures on. Nice aesthetic. Okay. I want to sanitize this, but like, will the carpet go back to its regular self? If y'all think I'm joking with the sanitizing thing. So I'm gonna leave this here, let it air out. I don't know if it sheds yet. I do see a little stuff falling, but it could also be because it was in this. And it's finally getting some air to breathe. There's one more thing in here. 4 rolls. Oh, I'll open it so you guys can see it. This is the paper rolls. Not paper. Labels. Okay. This is the labels, shipping labels? That's what I'm looking for words. Shipping labels. I ordered some extra ones. I'm not sure how much this was. I want to say $20 because I'm cheap. So that's it. I would say that the shipping rolls are essential because as long as you plan on shipping, you're gonna need them. Like, so I bought, there's 300 labels per roll and I bought 4 rolls. So 300 times 4, 1,200. You can't go wrong with having a whole bunch in the beginning because it's something that your business definitely needs. Like, from you are shipping stuff out, you're gonna need them. The labels, the label stickers, what are they called? Plastic clear transparent tape. These I think are a good idea if you don't like having that white background for the labels, especially if you're gonna put them on like an item or something. I would definitely say go clear. It just looks more professional, like you tried. Light box is not necessary, especially if you're going to have other aesthetics like the carpet. This isn't necessary, but go for it. We have a big box now. By the way, I live in an apartment building, and can I tell you, Amazon left my box downstairs in the lobby. My nerves. This box is really big. It's taking up the whole table. Is that enough? So I ordered this Dymo printer. I think it was $90. I'm gonna print my labels using this. It's a Dymo label writer $450. It doesn't take ink or toner, so all you gotta do is plug it in and it's good to go. Well, you know, plug it in, attach it to your computer, blah, blah, blah. But you never have to worry about ink. This one's smaller. Everyone buys the Dymo 4XL. And it was $300 and something. And like I said, I'm starting out. So $300 something or 90 bucks. The difference between this one and the XL is that this one prints smaller slips. So the average slip is about this size. This one's gonna print something about this size. But in today's technology and advances, guess what? The machine can scan anything. So I saw someone else using it and I was like, hey, why not try it out rather than spending $300 on the go? PC and Mac connectivity, package contents. It comes with obviously the printer. It comes with a starter set of rolls anyways. Power adapter, power cable, USB cable to attach to your computer, and a quick startup guide. So this is definitely an essential. Like, you need something that you can print labels off at home because it will be easier for you. It'll be more, it'll save you time. I was watching videos again. I think I watched so many videos and I Googled so many stuff. And a few people said that they used to go to the post office and then get labels there and then put it on each item. That means you have to remember what's in each item. You gotta label still. Do it at home, bro. Here is the Dymo label maker. This was $30 or $40. I don't remember, but I'll put in the comments. I'll put everything in the comments how much I paid. But this was $30 or $40. I spent around 300 bucks at Amazon for everything here. And if you think about it, like I said, the label maker is 90 bucks, so like you're already 1/3 of the way of my 300 bucks. The bigger label maker, not this one. Y'all get what I'm saying. I bought this to label a few of my items. And I thought it was just good to have for organization purposes and stuff like that. It does come with one of the tapes that I don't know how to do that. Right here. one of the tapes that I was showing you guys. Again, this is gonna come out like white, like, in case you're wondering, like you see how there's like a white background there on these two names? The other one that I got is gonna be clear, so you'll just see pens and it'll be clear. I ordered something else, again, for aesthetic purposes. This is not necessary, but it's good to have. And it looks like it's big as hell. This was also $30, by the way. And it is big, really, really big. And I feel like it was worth my dollars. It can still open out a lot more. I just don't know. Like it's big and it opens up like 4 more times after that. So I think it was 50 by 70 inches. Like it's big. I'll probably use it as like more of a wall backdrop kind of a thing. But quality seems to be good. Oh, and I bought a shipping scale, which is you're going to need. This scale does 440 pounds. So, and you don't have to get one that weighs this much. I can't remember if this was $40 or $50, but there's smaller scales depending on what item. Like if you're selling, I don't know, maybe you're selling glassware, you might want something like this because people might order plenty of. But if you're selling lashes or something, you can get definitely a smaller scale. You don't need it to be this big. But this is also an essential item. I would even list this as essential because I'm sure that you will use it. So far, that is it. I thought I had more stuff in there. Maybe because it came in 3 boxes, it made me feel like there's so much stuff, but that's it. Honestly, this big box, everything could like fit in here comfortably. I'll probably move it in there once I'm done recording. Hey, I don't think I did my intro. Hey guys, wagwan, what's poppin'? I still truly mean that. So let me know what's poppin'. On wagwan, but on wagwan. That's it. So those are a few of the essential stuff that I ordered. So see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, share, hit the button, the bell, hit the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell. You get what I'm saying. Later.